Big oil, alcohol, and tobacco are once again trying to shift the burden of paying for the public health and safety impacts of their businesses onto taxpayers. Philip Morris, Chevron, Anheuser-Busch, and the other companies backing Prop 26 want to change the state constitution so that legitimate fees to mitigate environmental problems, protect public safety, or respond to public nuisances would be labeled as taxes. That means they would require a 2/3 vote in the legislature or a 2/3 vote in local elections. It would become virtually impossible to make businesses pay for the costs they impose on taxpayers. Prop 26 would write drastic flaws into our Constitution and would negatively affect all Californians, no matter what their political persuasion or core values are, whether they're conservative or liberal, care about police protection, or protecting our coasts. Californians have many good reasons to join us in opposing Prop 26.
Prop 26 would handcuff the ability of local governments, your police and fire departments, from providing services that the voters rely on every day, from keeping streets clear to saving your life. Imagine a city that doesn't have a special investigations unit to root out crime, doesn't offer police protection or traffic control for sporting events, doesn't have a functioning court system. Or it can't fill its potholes, dig trenches, or respond to serious public emergencies without going to the voters for approval. If Prop 26 passes, funding for these services would be in jeopardy. Please join the Peace Officers Research Association of California, California Professional Firefighters, and other public safety groups in voting no on Proposition 26.
Prop 26 would cost the state budget $11 billion over the next 10 years and immediately take $1 billion out of the general fund. Why would anyone want to make our state budget deficit worse? California's public school system already has seen drastic cuts over the last 2 years, with nearly 30,000 teachers laid off. California's public schools can't afford any more cuts, period. The California Teachers Association urges you to vote no on Prop 26.
Philip Morris has donated almost $2 million to pass Prop 26 to avoid fees on cigarettes to pay for anti-smoking programs. Prop 26 also helps their oil industry friends avoid carbon emission fees that pay for research on the health impacts of diesel exhaust and other pollutants. Prop 26 is bad for public health and bad for prevention and enforcement programs that would benefit the health of your family and all Californians. Join the American Lung Association, the California Nurses Association, and many other groups that work to protect your health and not the profits of big tobacco. Vote no on Proposition 26.
The core question raised by Proposition 26 is, who pays? Who pays to clean up air pollution, oil spills, and toxic waste? The big corporate special interests behind Prop 26 want you, the taxpayers, to pay. Fees assessed on polluters provide vital funding for essential programs that safeguard California's health and environment. For example, fees support efforts to prevent oil spills, clean up hazardous waste, replace dirty diesel engines, recycle electronic waste, and safeguard workers and communities from toxic pesticides. These charges save taxpayers money and put the cost of environmental protection on those who have created the problems. That's why Sierra Club and California's many other environmental groups oppose Proposition 26.
For all these reasons, and many more, Prop 26 is strongly opposed by a broad coalition of Californians, from the League of California Cities to the League of Women Voters, from Republicans to Democrats, from environmental and public health advocates to police officers and firefighters. Everyone understands that Prop 26 would harm California. It would let giant corporations have free rein and stick the taxpayers with the bill. That's why we urge you to vote no on Prop 26. Please visit our website, noonproposition26.com.